Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. My name is Modulus, and in this video I'm going to be explaining what the LRU cache function is in the functools module in Python. So let's get started. But first off, what is LRU cache in Python? The LRU cache function is a built-in decorator in Python's functools module that provides a simple and efficient way to cache the results of a function. LRU stands for least recently used, indicating that the cache keeps track of the most recently used function calls and discards the least recently used ones when the cache size is exceeded. It helps speed up code by avoiding redundant computations and memory-intensive operations, as it stores the results of previous function calls and retrieves them instead of recomputing. Now, if you did not understand that explanation, don't worry. I'm going to be going over each step on how to improve your code in Python using LRU cache. But first, let's find out how to install LRU cache. Now, if you have Python installed, you should have something called functools. Now, to know if you have functools inside of Python, you can say import functools, just like that. Now, if I save and run, you see nothing happens. So that means that you have functools installed. So here's a working example to demonstrate how LRU cache works. In the example above, we define a Fibonacci function that recursively calculates the Fibonacci sequence. By applying the LRU cache decorator, we enable caching for this function with the maximum cache size of 3, as seen here. When the function is called, the decorator checks if the result for a given argument is already present in the cache. If it is, the cached result is returned immediately, avoiding redundant computation. If the result is not in the cache, the function calculates it, stores it in the cache, and returns the result. Subsequent calls with the same argument will retrieve the cached result, providing significant speedup. So let me show you how this works. So I'm going to save and run. You're going to see we get 55, 8, 21, and 55. Now we could not really see the caching in action because of how quick Python computed it. So I'm going to spice up the numbers a bit. We're going to go 50, 10, 30, and then we're going to call 30. Actually, we'll call 50 again. So if I save and run, you see that these numbers are printed very fast, but this one is already in the cache. I'm going to show one more example. We're going to go 120, 50, 78, and then I'm going to call 120. So I'm going to save and run. And look at that. Got printed beautifully. So we got 120 here, 50, and then 78. And then using the LRU cache, we got the cache of 120, so did not need to reprint it out. That's it. In this video, you learned about functools and LRU cache and how you can step up your Python game. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the Modulus YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!